Have you ever been in the situation where you just know you have something in your purse but you just can't find it? I have definitely come to the realization that I am so much more prepared and I save less time and less stress when I keep my purse organized. Today I'm going to share with you what's in my bag and my purse organization, but mainly small purse organization. Minimum is key for me as a mom that usually has a toddler and a diaper bag somewhere nearby. So I like small purses and I'm going to show you how I've organized my purse. I definitely have hacks for you that you probably haven't thought about, but that you need to make your purse be a lot more organized and easy to find things. And so the tips I'm going to share with you today is also really good too for easy switching from purse to purse. You're going to see how I keep it organized with pouches, which makes changing your purses out and switching from purse to purse so easy. It's a lifesaver on top of a lot less deep cleans. Everything is mostly from Amazon, so I will make sure to leave all the links below in the description box. So let's get started. All right, so to start, this is one of my purses. Is from Amazon. I don't do a lot of expensive purses, and I really like this one because it's a nice size with lots of compartments. You have a zipper on the back here, which I actually don't use, but it's there if you need it. Plus it has this little space here if you need to store things in, but I love it. It has a strap. It's a really cute little purse. Comes in a lot of colors. I leave a link below. I think it was like 20 something bucks. Now opening this up, has two compartments, and I'm going to show you what is in each of these. So let's pull all of this out. So this is everything that I have in my purse. First things first, I keep this little medicine pouch here in my purse. I like how compact it is. We're gonna open up and show you what's in it. So inside here, I have all my medicines that I usually need with me. So some prenatals, my metformin, baby aspirin. I am pregnant, you guys. Filming this, Tylenol, and some migraine Excedrin. So all my medicines, and I like these little zipper pouches. They're very thin, don't take up a lot of space. Really do like that. And then other things in here are these washable cloths. You add water to them and they become cleaning cloths. You can use them for anything, washing your face, washing off, cleaning up, wiping things up, but they become full washcloths when you add water. Then I have some Pure Fresh in here. Now these are flushable wipes, so great for those times when you need you a flushable wipe. I really do like these. These are fragrance free as well, so handy to have. Next up is some wet wipes. Awesome to have the individual ones because they don't take up a lot of space, but you want you some antibacterial hand wipes especially. And I have, like I said, a toddler, another baby on the way as well, so I keep some of these individual ones in here. And then I keep some alcohol pads in here, some ointment for cuts and bruises, as well as a couple fast healing band-aids. You guys, nothing like fast healing band-aids. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link them. They're game changers. They are definitely help to heal your wounds quicker, and they stay on so much longer, literally 7 days for me. So love these so much. But yeah, band-aids, ointment, and alcohol wipes. Cuts and bruises, you never know when you get them or your toddler gets them, and you want to have some handy. And definitely want some disinfectant wipes. Again, I love to-go pouches. They don't take up a lot of space, but when you need one, you have one. So if you need to wipe down something, maybe at a restaurant or something, definitely have them. And then I keep packets of hand sanitizer. Although I need to add a little more. I keep usually 2-3 in this little packet in case I forget my bottle. Definitely handy. These are individual packets too. Works great, and I've definitely used these. And then all these pack right back in here. Like I say, I really do like this little pouch, and this pouch comes with the zipper packets in the pouch, so I'll leave it linked. Next up, I definitely have to have some portable chargers for my phone, and I keep this in this little zipper pouch. I can see right in it, but it doesn't, again, take up a lot of space. I have 2 chargers in here. I'm gonna pull them out. So inside here, I have 2 chargers, and I'll hold up my phone so you can see the size of them. Okay, so this one is about this size of my phone, and it's thin as well. It doesn't take up like a lot of space, but it's a little bit bigger than this one. This one's more of a credit card size. So if you want to put one in your wallet, or if you're taking like a little like purse, formal purse somewhere, this will be a great one to just put in your little wallet or credit card spot, because it's very thin and it's literally the size of a credit card. And the cool thing about them is that these have the port jacks with them. They give you a lot of different options. You can put on whichever one you want. If you have an iPhone, you can put the iPhone. I use this one mostly for my Samsung, so I got the USB-C on here, but they do give you all the little options. Really great. This gives me about a half a charge when this is fully charged. And then this one right here is also more powerful. This one gives you much more of a charge because it's bigger and have more power to it. Again, it has the jack on it. This is my USB-C with the jack on it too. So, you know, it goes right in the phone. It can charge right there. Really do like these two portable chargers, and they don't take up a lot of space. This is what I keep in my purse. I still usually keep one in my car too, or if I'm traveling I have a bigger one, but for my purse only I keep these little slim ones, again because I carry slim purses. And then this pouch right here is more of my needs. We have a hair tie, chapstick, sometimes lip gloss. This is lotion, a wide tooth comb, some type of sanitizer, usually on the smaller compact pack. This is a Bath and Body Works one, a nail file for sure, and a bobby pin and a safety pin. So a lot of these are things I need when I'm out, but I can't find them because they be hidden in my purse, but having them in a pouch makes it easy to find. So there's that. And then I have my handy dandy candy pouch. So in here I have Preggy Pop Drops. Like I said, I am pregnant and they work. I have mints, you know, these are my Preggy Pop Drops. Mints, cough drops, some candies, just things to have when I have the munchies. Again, so candy's not all over my purse or dug down in the bottom. They're just right here, and I can easily see that what's in here, gum, all that stuff, and I can just grab it and find it. And then in this pouch, this is a RFID blocking pack. It protects your keys from hackers. This houses my car key. So yeah, I keep that in there because I hardly ever have to take it out really for my car and our front door too, so stays in there protected. I always have to have some Kleenex, and I keep these little slim pouches because they take up less space, but you have Kleenex on both sides. Now this one's about half used, by the way, but they're still not like thick and doesn't take up a lot of space. Then I keep a pouch for receipts, because one thing about purses is it holds paper. We have receipts, and that's one reason why your purse gets messy. So having a little space that I can toss receipts I need to keep, you know, or maybe things I want to take back, I keep that in and put that in there. Then I have a couple key pouches because I do have like different mailboxes and just a lot of different things, and a lot of times I can't find the key. I put certain mailbox keys in this little zipper pouch. This is one of my medicine pouches I reused again. And then I put another set of keys for another house into this one in another mailbox. So I can easily find it, or if I'm sending someone to check some of my business mailboxes, I'll just send this pouch with them and they have the keys. And of course, the wallet matters. So I got a really slim wallet, but super functional. It has a zipper compartment here on the back. If you want to keep change in it, you definitely can. And then opening this up, you have two sides, your license and a lot of spaces for cards. And then you have more spaces for cards on this side. You have a space here on the inside where I usually keep my cash. Just don't have any cash on me right now. And then you have another zipper in case you want to hide something in there. You can do that as well, right there. And then on this side you have two stashes, one there and one there where I keep like our COVID vaccination cards. So super narrow, super thin, and doesn't take up a lot of space. And lastly, definitely I got a purse holder. This is very, very compact. It folds up really nicely, and you open this up and it literally holds your purse on it. So you open this all the way up and you hang your purse on this little latch right here, and you put this top piece on the table. Really little handy item, doesn't take up a lot of space either. The last couple things I always have is some pens and paper. I get this little notepad in here in case I need to jot notes down, leave a note, write a note, or whatever, which has definitely happened. Like I always been in a mailbox because we have like a community mailbox and I've had to leave notes. So super handy to have. Since having this little Tide to go pen is also really handy to have. I've used this on the go. I've made spills. I'm clumsy and I have a toddler too. So these are very, very nice to have to get spots out of your shirts and stuff quickly. So yeah, there you go. That's how it's pursed. And if you want to see, I have keys over here and then on my little packets there, wallet and a couple more packets there. So that's how it's organized. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you like organization videos and you want to see more.